What's the meaning of attribute? Attribute. Attribute.
Attribute. Attribute. In general, an attribute refers to a characteristic or quality that is inherent to a person, object, or concept. It is a feature that can be used to identify or describe something, and it provides additional information about the thing being described. For example, an attribute of a car could be its color or its size. Attributes are often used in data modeling and database design as a means of organizing and categorizing information. They are also important in programming and web development for creating dynamic and interactive user interfaces that respond to user input.